Andrea Prokova versus Oasis Springs, A 835721. Can I get counsel to make an appearance, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Dustin Birch for the plaintiff.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Crystal Case on behalf of defendant Real Water.
Okay. I'm sorry, what's your last name, counsel?
Case,
Ace, A-C-E?
C-A-S-E.
Oh, Case. Crystal Case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking that was something else. I was thinking you gave it case number, not your bar number.
No, I was appropriately, I have an appropriate surname for my profession.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so I was waiting for a JCCR, but none has been filed yet. So why don't you guys let me know what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize. This is my oversight. The opposing counsel and I, it wasn't Miss Case, but opposing counsel in her office and I held the early case conference the beginning of March. And I thought I had sent it over and was waiting for them to send it back to me. And it turns out I had approved it with my assistant, but hadn't actually ever sent it to opposing counsel. So I sent it to them on Monday. We should have it to you by the end of the week.
Okay. What are the dates on it?
They are
Let's start with discovery. Close of discovery date is what?
close of discovery March 13th of next year of 2026.
Okay, and last day for initial experts, last day for motions to amend.
12/13/2025.
12/13/2025.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then last day for rebuttals.
January 12th, 2026.
Do you guys think that's realistic when that's gonna go right over the holiday season?
I do, Your Honor. All of the experts, this is another real water case, so all of the experts have really done
Okay.
most of their reports other than medical. So,
Okay, January 12th, 2026.
yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then if we're closing discovery on March 13th, dispositive motion, what deadline did you give?
We put April 13th, Your Honor.
Okay.
Mr. Birch, if you can resend that to me, because I don't see it in my inbox.
Absolutely.
Okay, so if any disagreement or any issue with those dates, counsel, Ms. Case, I'm gonna read them again. Close the discovery March 13th, 2026. Last day to amend pleadings, last day to add parties, last day for initial experts, December 13th, 2025. Last day for rebuttals, January 12th, 2026. Last day for dispositive motions, April 13th, 2026. Do you agree with all those dates, Ms. Case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then I'm just gonna go ahead and set a trial date. I still want your JCCR. After I get your JCCR, I'm gonna put in there that we already had the 16.1 today. And therefore, I am just simply setting these dates and deadlines, and the trial is gonna be set. So your deadline for motions in limine is gonna be May 29th, 2026. I'm putting you on my trial stack starting August 3rd, 2026. You're gonna have a trial readiness check on April 28th, 2026, 11:15 a.m. You're gonna have a pretrial conference July 9th, 2026, 11 a.m. You're gonna have a calendar call July 23rd, 2026, 11 a.m. And you're gonna have a pretrial memo due July 17th, 2026, 4 p.m. I would just go forward and file an order memorializing all those dates, but if I do it before your JCCR, when you guys file your JCCR, it'll trigger a alert in my system that then moves your case to cases that need a Rule 16. But I don't want you to have to come in and do another Rule 16 when we've already done one today. So I'm gonna wait to file a trial setting and discovery order until after I get your JCCR. So you think you'll be able to file that by Friday?
Your Honor, if I receive the draft today and if there's no significant changes, I'll make sure to get it back to him today so we can get it to you by end of day if Mr. Birch has the capacity.
Yeah, and I'll send it to Ms. Case as soon as we log off of the hearing, Your Honor.
Okay, that'd be great. Then I'm just gonna put you on an in-chamber status check on April 4th, which is Friday morning. So when I go to check the case Friday morning, as long as you have a JCCR filed, I will just do a scheduling, trial and scheduling order memorializing all these dates and deadlines. If you do not, I'm going to set another status check requiring you guys to come back in here to let me know why you don't have a JCCR filed yet. Okay?
So
Understood?
appearance needed on the 4th or
No appearance, it's in
presumptively?
chambers. It's just
Okay.
for me to look, and if, as long as you have your JCCR filed, I'm not gonna do anything. If you don't have your JCCR filed, then I will do another notice setting a different time for you guys to come in. Make
And I'm
sense?
sorry, yes, Your Honor, and I'm sorry, I didn't get the time for the pretrial conference.
Pretrial conference, July 9th, 2026, 11 a.m. And that'll all be memorialized in the order I put out too. If the
Understood.
order if the order differs from what I said verbally, it's because I made a mistake verbally today. Go by the order.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you so much.
Okay, any other questions?
No, Your Honor.
Thank
No,
you
Your
guys.
Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you.